welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with somebody special and darling to me.
Hello everyone, my name is Absalam. Tomorrow is my birthday and I'm here to make cupcake with my auntie.
Yay! So Absalam is my nephew and we're here to make cupcakes for his birthday. He's going to be making the cupcakes by himself with my supervision here and there. So let's go! So Absalam is going to tell us what we have inside everything here. That's the ingredient list. So what do we have here?
Sugar, oil, and flavor.
Okay, what about here?
Cocoa powder, flour, and color.
And color, good. What do we have here?
Buttermilk,
Buttermilk. And what's this?
egg,
What's this?
baking powder,
Baking soda.
baking soda,
What do we have here?
white vinegar.
Good.
Yay!
It's time to mix. Good.
I'm mixing the wet ingredient together.
Yay!
I'm breaking the egg into the wet ingredients.
That's okay. Open it like this. Good. Yeah. Paw. Good. Break the second one. You're going to open it. Good boy. Okay. Yeah, pour it in.
Mix.
Good. You're doing a good job.
Add the buttermilk.
Good. Now that's okay. So this is what we have. All wet ingredients has been mixed together. So you're going to add dry ingredients. Okay. Hold on. Before you add it, you mix it together.
Mixing the dry ingredients.
Okay. Mix.
Mix.
It's okay. So what do we do now? Oops. Oh, Ajepo. So what do we do now? We'll combine the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients together. So hold on.
I'm going to pour the dry ingredient into the dry ingredients.
Okay, wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. You guys get the gist, yeah? Good. You guys, can you even make this thing at your age? Please, oh, nobody should laugh at my nephew. Good. Let's use spatula to scrape it. Now you're going to give everything a good mix. Yeah. So what are you doing now?
I'm mixing the wet and the dry ingredient together.
Yay! This boy can bake. Oh. Boys now can cook. 1,000 years husband material. Do you need help? You don't need help. But you have lumps inside this thing. There's lumps. You know. Okay, good. Sorry. Apologies. So what are you doing?
I'm going to add the white oregano into the baking soda.
Good. And it bubbles. Pour everything. And then you pour it into the butter. So mix everything together now. Mix.
Mix.
What do we have here?
Red velvet cake butter.
Good. So we're going to bake. The oven is on. What are you doing?
I am arranging the pan into the
paper. You're arranging the paper into the pan.
I am arranging the paper into the pan.
Good. That's what we're doing. Anything you see, take it like that, please. At this point, just let's go with the flow.
Wow.
Wow.
Serious.
What are you doing?
I am pouring the butter into the pan.
Good boy. Good job. Now press it. That's okay. The next one. That's okay. The next one. That's okay.
I'm taking it into the oven to bake.
Okay, let's go. Let's go into the oven.
I'm putting it into the oven.
Yeah, let's go. Push it in. Now close it. Yay!
It broke my hand.
We're back. Now our cake is ready. So which cake is this?
Cupcake.
Red Velvet Cupcakes.
Okay.
So let's arrange it inside your box. Okay, remove your own too. Okay, continue. Let me show you. Then you now do your own. So you do like this. You press it. Can you do that?
Yes.
Yeah, let's go. Press. Okay, good.
I'm going to put the whipped cream on the cake.
Okay. The next one.
Your burst.
Another one.
Yay! My cupcakes are ready. Thank you so much, Maya. The best auntie in the world.
Oh wow! Wow!